दोस्तों दत्ता दिस साइड एंड वेलकम टू दिस अमेजिंग गोल्डन नगेट. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन आई गेट रियली अगेन एंड अगेन. हाउ टू मैनेज द बिजनेस वाइल डूइंग द जॉब. और जॉब करते करते बिजनेस कैसे मैनेज करे एंड डाउन द लाइन you will be having business as a primary thing. दोस्तों I have been coaching more than 20,000 plus people. Before that one I work in IT industry more than 10 years. मैंने काम किया है. मैं आपको मेरी स्टोरी शेयर करने वाला हूँ. ऑल्सो मैं आपको इसका भी आंसर करने वाला हूँ कि इन केस यू आर समबडी डूइंग बोथ थिंग्स टुगेदर और यू आर जस्ट थिंकिंग, ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है. सो प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. हाउ टू मैनेज योर बिजनेस विथ वाइल डूइंग जॉब. मैं आपको वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट कुछ टिप्स देने वाला हूँ, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाला हूँ टू गेट दैट इनसाइड एंड दिस कैन बी रियली रियली हेल्पफुल बिकॉज 96% पीपल फेल टू क्विट देयर जॉब. बहुत सारे लोग जॉब क्विट करना चाहते हैं. दे वांट टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन बिजनेस और इफ यू आर समबडी ऑलरेडी इन द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बट आपका जो पैर है दो पत्थर पे है एंड यू आर जस्ट थिंकिंग कि मैं कैसे दोनों मैनेज करूं, देन दिस वीडियो इज टुडे फॉर you especially. Watch this till the end. Now let me give first tip, guys. Let me just discuss you transparent heart to heart. First point is it's really hard to manage the work and business. मतलब business and work आप दोनों साथ में मैनेज करना बहुत मुश्किल है. रीज़न क्या है? इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल बट मुश्किल है. राइट नाउ ह्यूमन हैज़ लिमिटेड स्किल, आई मीन टू से लिमिटेड एनर्जी. सपोज आप जॉब के अंदर 8, 10, 12 घंटे काम करते हो, then where is the energy for your health, for your business, family? But if you are somebody mighty, you are just having long-term mission, purpose, then you can definitely take some time out, like couple of hours, 1-2 घंटे डेली निकाल सकते हैं to manage that one. Second point, initially for like 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, you have to do some hard work because to manage both things, and the hard work will deliver you the fruits. Believe me, I was working 16-17 hours. Like I was coming after like 8 p.m., 9 p.m. working till midnight on my business, learning with clients and other things. So you have to do some hard work to get some reward in the long term. Keep in mind this second point because I hope this happens with everybody. Third point, like what you can do basically in case you are in the shift. आप शिफ्ट में काम कर रहे हो, मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट, नाइट शिफ्ट और ETC. सपोज आपका नाइट शिफ्ट है और लाइक आफ्टरनून शिफ्ट है, सो यू कैन डू द बिजनेस वर्क इन द मॉर्निंग. इन केस यू हैव द मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट, यू कैन डू द बिजनेस वर्क इन द इवनिंग. डजेंट मैटर व्हाट बिजनेस यू आर डूइंग और वाइस वर्सा, आप वो मैनेज कर सकते हैं. टिप नंबर 4, द प्लानिंग इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वट एवर यू प्लान इन द एडवांस. सपोज किसी आपको वॉर पे जाना है तो यू प्लान इन द एडवांस. द 4th टिप, यू कैन प्लान एवरीथिंग इन द एडवांस. यू कैन प्लान द कंप्लीट मंथ इन एडवांस कि बॉस आप क्लाइंट के लिए कितना टाइम देने वाले हैं, लर्निंग के लिए कितना टाइम देने वाले हैं, आपका ऑफिस का कितना टाइम फिक्स है दैट यू कैन नॉट चेंज इनिशियली बिकॉज आपको करना ही पड़ेगा, एंड फैमिली के लिए कितना टाइम है. सो बेसिकली यू कैन प्लान एवरीथिंग इन द एडवांस. बेसिकली बाय टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, आई प्लान कंप्लीट मंथ कि वीकेंड पे क्या आने वाला है, मेरा सेल्स वेबिनार कब है, क्लाइंट मीटिंग कब है, कंटेंट में कब बनाने वाला हूँ, एंड so many things are there, right? So basically you can plan everything advance. So tip number 4, plan everything advance. And dosto, another part, like the good news is that when in case you are in agency business, consulting business or any business, manufacturing even, if you can outsource something to the freelancer, suppose you are charging 20,000 to somebody, if somebody can do that work for you 10,000 rupees, and if you can outsource for freelancers or agency or somebody, think about that one. If you can like outsource some work to somebody else, that is the tip number 5. And tip number 6, let me talk to you guys. See, just remember that one thing. If you want to build big empire, $1 million company, $1 billion company, करोड़ों का business, तो basically keep in mind that one. You cannot do that by doing both things at the same time. Today or tomorrow, you have to think about your exit date. I quit my job in 2017, but I planned into 2015. 2015 में मैंने प्लान किया था 3 साल पहले. I got the opportunity. I planned it. I work hard. It was little bit like, it was not sweet journey, but it was not hard as well because you know hard work like delivers amazing fruits as well. So you have to plan in advance. One day you have to make it that plan A. There is no B, C, D, etc. So आपको एक ना एक दिन आपको क्विट करना पड़ेगा. Keep in mind. And tip number 7, if possible please full focus on the business. I mean to say, if you have the strong financial background, आपके पास financial planning है, you have the financial backups, family background, etc, and if you think there is a great mentorship, you have the great mentorship, business ideas, then you can quit your job and start your full-time business as well. So let me recap all these 7 tips. First thing, initially it's very hard to manage your work with business. Keep in mind, आपको थोड़ा बहुत you have to work out of the comfort zone. Second, you have to put little bit hard work initially, but you get the rewards in the long term. And third tip, basically you can do the like wise work. I mean, in case you are working in the shift, आप morning में business का काम कर सकते हैं, evening में office का कर सकते हैं. Office का morning में है तो फिर you can do the business work in the evening. And fourth, the planning is really important, because if you plan everything you will not get confused and आपका time properly होगा. There are so many tools, ClickUp, Warmap, there are so many tools you will find on the Google how to manage business time. You can download that one. And tip number 4, you can just think about that one. You cannot do everything your own. Either you can hire a freelancer, hire somebody who can work for you, or you can outsource. And tip number 4, just remember, you cannot build the big empires while just doing the job. Today or tomorrow you have to make that as a top priority, as a mission, as a vision. And tip number 7, if possible, focus full on the business to get the great rewards. So guys, these are some tips. I think this has really helped me in the last 4-5 years. I'm telling you based on my real experience, and this might help you also. Before I just stop this video, what did you learn from this video? Where are you working right now? What are the challenges you are facing, difficulties? I would like to hear. मैं आपसे सुनना चाहूँगा. Below this video, please pause this video and share your detailed challenges. Might be you are an entrepreneur or struggling to manage your time. You are in job, planning to quit, or you are just doing job plus business. दोनों चीजें कैसे मैनेज करें? You can share your experience below. In case you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will be adding a lot of content like this one to help you grow your business online. And also beside this one, if you want to really take my help, learn how to get customer, build the business, dominate online, master #1 skills of sales, marketing, lead generation, Facebook ad, etc. Below this video, there will be one of the link to my upcoming interactive workshop, masterclass. Please feel free to check that and be part of that one. Also, sharing is caring. Feel free to share this video with your loved one, friends, 3 friends who can get benefited. Thank you very much. मिलते हैं अपकमिंग लेसन के अंदर. शेयर योर डिटेल लर्निंग बिलो दिस वीडियो. धन्यवाद.